Hello, young explorers. Welcome to our exciting adventure as we discover the amazing world of construction vehicles. Today, we'll be diving into the features of some incredible machines: the cement mixer, crane, excavator, and bulldozer. First up, let us meet the cement mixer. This big, rotating drum is like a giant kitchen blender for cement. It helps mix all the ingredients together to make strong and sturdy concrete. Look at those wheels go round and round. See the drum, it can spin in both directions, ensuring the cement is perfectly mixed. The mixer also has a chute to pour the concrete right where it's needed. What a helpful friend in construction. Now, let us soar to new heights with the crane. Just like a giant, metal bird, the crane can lift heavy objects and place them precisely where they're needed. It's like having a superhero with a super strong arm on a construction site. Check out the hook hanging from the crane. It can lower and lift things, and the long arm can reach really high. It's a fantastic tool for building tall structures like skyscrapers or bridges. Next on our list is the excavator. This mighty machine is like the construction site's superhero with a powerful arm and a big scoop. It's perfect for digging and moving lots of dirt around. Look at that hydraulic arm and bucket. The excavator can dig deep into the ground and scoop up dirt or rocks. It's like a giant, metal hand that can do some heavy lifting and digging. What an impressive helper. Last but certainly not least, let us explore the bulldozer. This sturdy machine is like the construction site's tough and reliable friend. It's great for pushing and clearing away obstacles. See that big blade in the front? The bulldozer uses it to push dirt, rocks, or debris out of the way. It's like a powerful snowplow for the construction site, making space for new buildings and roads. And there you have it, our young construction enthusiasts. The cement mixer, crane, excavator, and bulldozer, all incredible machines with unique features that make them essential on a construction site. I hope you enjoyed our adventure today. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.